want this. Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to create this awesome haze flare glow effect using CapCut in just a few simple steps, and you can use it both football and movie clips also. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open CapCut, tap on New Project, and import your video clip. Now adjust the frame of your video like this. Now click on Duplicate, then tap on the second line, click on Overlay. Now click on the overlay clip and move the frame to the right side. Next, open the Effects tab and search for Motion Blur. Now go to Adjust and set both values to 100. Next, go to Object and select All Video. Next, duplicate the effect 2 times. Next, extend all the 3 layers to the clip's end. Now, go to Effects and search for the Soft effect. Now go to the object and select All Video. Now extend the soft layer to the end of the video. Now export the video. Now open a new project and add any clip of your choice. Now click on Overlay and add the clip we recently edited. Now open Transform and set the overlay clip to full screen. Now go to Splice and apply a filter. Set the filter value to 45. Follow my adjustments. Export the video. Now you can see the haze flare effect in our video.